My name's Barnaby Napier, the Global Business Development Manager at Sculptform. We specialise in architectural lighting systems, anything from internal feature walls and ceilings right through to external facades and balustrade systems. I guess one of the biggest challenges that we had before SalesStar was really just booking meetings, getting through to architects. It was an absolute grind with a very low conversion ratio. And then as we booked the meetings and we set those meetings up, we didn't have a structure around those meetings, so they could definitely go down a few rabbit holes. During the end of those meetings, we really struggled to get referrals because we kind of lost our way in the framework. Yeah, some of the things that SalesStar helped us with specifically were strategic messaging and being able to clearly show the value that you're providing to the client and customers' problems which they care about the most. Within those discovery meetings, having a clear framework to work to make sure that you've covered everything from woe to go. And then finally, a solid methodology to draw out those referrals in those prospecting calls. One of the key outcomes that we've seen from our 3-month engagement with SalesStar is we've seen referrals go up 300%. We've seen our booked meeting ratio from outreach call go up from 20% to over 50%. And we've seen our MQL to SQL conversion go from around 15% to over 30%. I fully recommend these guys. They're absolute killers at what they do, but it's the age-old thing of you get out of it what you put into it. So just put in the time and effort and you'll see results.